Welcome to Nyam Nyam! We're making Spider-Man Cupcakes! Awesome! Start by mixing together 120 grams of butter with 120 grams of sugar, 2 eggs, and 120 grams of flour. Using an electric whisk to make it that much faster. Getting rid of any lumps, of course. And your mixture is ready, but we need to add a couple more things. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract for a lovely flavour, and some red food colouring. Give it a whisk. And it's ready to pop into our cupcake holders. Just spoon it in. We want it to fill about 2/3 of each case. Then bake those at 180 degrees for 15 to 20 minutes. They're going to look something like this. Brilliant colour. Right, time for the decorations. We're going to dust some icing sugar onto a surface and roll out some red fondant icing. Roll it out to be about 1/2 inch thick and then get a round cookie cutter and cut out 3 circles. These circles are the perfect size to put on top of our cupcakes. So using some buttercream icing as glue, you can just stick them on. Pressing it down with your fingers, smoothing it out. Perfect! Now using some black writing icing, we're going to draw on a spider's web. First of all, do a cross. And then some more lines going through that. Excellent. Then let's go around. And that's a brilliant looking spider's web. I think we need to do one more thing. Let's add some spooky eyes using white writing icing. Now that's really looking very Spider-Man-y, don't you think? Look at that! Amazing! Spider-Man Cupcakes. Why not give it a go?